Ever find yourself wanting a sweet treat but short on time? Those moments when a complex dessert feels like too much effort? We've all been there. Life can be hectic and elaborate baking isn't always feasible. But don't worry, food enthusiasts. I've got a quick and delightful solution for you. We're about to create a dessert that satisfies your sweet cravings and aligns with your healthy lifestyle. Prepare yourself for a delicious treat that takes just 5 minutes to make. Ready to get started? Let's go. Oatmeal and bananas to the rescue. Today's secret weapons in our fight against bland and boring desserts: oatmeal and bananas. These two humble ingredients are about to revolutionize your kitchen and your taste buds. Yes, you heard that right. These pantry staples are about to become your new best friends in the kitchen. Imagine transforming simple, everyday items into something extraordinary. Oatmeal, my friends, is a nutritional powerhouse. It's packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. And it's a good source of energy to fuel your day. Not only that, but oatmeal is also rich in antioxidants and can help lower cholesterol levels. It's a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast to dessert. And bananas? Don't even get me started on bananas. They're like nature's candy, sweet, creamy, and bursting with potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Bananas are also a great source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber. They add natural sweetness to any dish, making them a perfect companion to oatmeal. Together, oatmeal and bananas create a flavor combination that's both comforting and delicious. The creamy texture of bananas blends perfectly with the hearty oats, creating a dish that's not only tasty, but also incredibly satisfying. Whether you're making a simple oatmeal bowl or a more elaborate dessert, these two ingredients will never let you down. Get ready to experience a taste sensation that's good for your body and your taste buds. With oatmeal and bananas, you can create a variety of dishes that are not only healthy, but also incredibly delicious. So, next time you're in the kitchen, remember that these two ingredients are your secret weapons for a tasty and nutritious meal. Happy cooking! The sweetness struggle. Can we have our cake and eat it too? We all love a little sweetness in our lives, right? Whether it's a decadent dessert after dinner or a sweet snack in the middle of the day, those sugary treats can bring a lot of joy. But there's always that nagging thought in the back of our minds about the impact on our health. But sometimes it feels like we have to choose between satisfying our sweet tooth and staying on track with our health goals. It's a constant battle, trying to balance indulgence with discipline. We often find ourselves wondering if it's possible to enjoy the best of both worlds. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can have the best of both worlds. You don't have to sacrifice taste for health. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can create delicious treats that are also good for you. This oatmeal banana dessert is naturally sweet, so you can indulge without the guilt. It's a perfect example of how you can enjoy something sweet while still being mindful of your health. The natural sugars in the bananas provide just the right amount of sweetness. The bananas provide a natural sweetness that's perfectly balanced by the nutty flavor of the oatmeal. This combination not only tastes great, but also offers nutritional benefits. Bananas are rich in potassium and fiber, while oats are a great source of whole grains. And the best part, you can customize the sweetness to your liking. Whether you prefer a subtle hint of sweetness or a more pronounced flavor, you have the flexibility to adjust it to your taste. If you prefer things a little sweeter, just add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Honey adds a natural sweetness and a touch of floral flavor, while cinnamon brings warmth and depth to the dish. It's all about finding what tastes best to you. Experiment with different ingredients and find the perfect balance that satisfies your cravings and supports your health. So go ahead, enjoy your cake and eat it too, because with the right approach, you truly can have it all. Let's get mashing. Your 5-minute dessert journey begins. Welcome to your quick and easy dessert adventure, where in just 5 minutes you'll have a delightful treat ready to enjoy. All right, are you ready to get your hands dirty? This is going to be fun and oh so rewarding. This recipe is so easy, you'll be amazed at how quickly it comes together. No need for fancy equipment or complicated steps. First things first, grab yourself a ripe banana. The riper, the better, as it will add natural sweetness to your dessert. The riper the banana, the sweeter it will be. Look for those with brown spots. They are perfect for this recipe. Now, peel that banana like a pro and toss it into a bowl. Make sure to remove all the peel to avoid any bitterness. Next, grab your trusty fork and get ready to mash. This is where the magic begins. Mash that banana until it's nice and smooth, with no big chunks remaining. The smoother, the better for a consistent texture. Now it's time to add the star of the show, the oatmeal. Rolled oats are perfect for this recipe as they add a wonderful texture and are packed with nutrients. Pour in half a cup of rolled oats and give everything a good stir until it's well combined. Make sure the oats are evenly distributed for the best flavor. And guess what? That's it. You've just created a delicious and healthy dessert in under 5 minutes. You've just created a delicious and healthy dessert in under 5 minutes. Perfect for a quick snack or a guilt-free treat. Enjoy your creation and share it with friends and family. They won't believe how easy it was to make. Section 5. Oatmeal power. It's like a superhero for your tummy. Let's take a moment to appreciate the nutritional powerhouse that is oatmeal. This humble grain is packed with fiber, which is like a superhero for your digestive system. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly, if you know what I mean. Plus, it helps you feel full and satisfied, which can be a real lifesaver when those late-night cravings strike. But wait, there's more. Oatmeal is also a good source of energy-boosting carbohydrates, making it the perfect fuel for your busy day. So, not only is this dessert delicious, but it's also giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Section 6. Banana Bonanza Potassium Powerhouse. This fruit is not only delicious, but also a nutritional superstar. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, an essential mineral that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps to counteract the negative effects of sodium, making it your heart's best friend. Plus, bananas are a good source of vitamin B6, which is important for brain health and energy production. So go ahead, grab a banana and give your body a potassium boost. Section 7. Taste Bud, Tango Sweet and Satisfying. Now let's talk about the taste, because that's what it's all about, right? This oatmeal banana dessert is a symphony of flavors and textures that will have your taste buds doing the tango. The sweetness of the banana blends perfectly with the nutty flavor of the oatmeal, creating a harmonious balance that's both comforting and satisfying. The creamy texture of the mashed banana combined with the slight chewiness of the oatmeal is a match made in dessert heaven. Each bite is a delightful explosion of flavor and texture that will leave you wanting more. Section 8. Mission accomplished, healthy dessert in record time. There you have it, folks. A delicious, healthy, and incredibly easy dessert that you can whip up in just 5 minutes. No more sacrificing your health goals for a sweet treat. With this recipe, you can have your cake and eat it too. So next time you're craving something sweet and don't have a lot of time, remember this recipe. It's the perfect solution for busy weeknights, unexpected guests, or just a quick and satisfying treat for yourself. Section 9. Your turn to be the chef. Share your culinary masterpiece. Now it's your turn to get creative in the kitchen. I want to hear all about your oatmeal banana dessert adventures. Did you add any extra toppings? Did you try different types of oatmeal? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to share photos of your culinary masterpieces. I love seeing all of your delicious creations. Tag me on social media so I can check them out. Section 10. Stay connected. More quick and tasty adventures await. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick and tasty recipes that will make your life easier and your taste buds happier. Until next time, happy cooking.